Hello, I'm Ken Cavanaugh with Saskark Equipment Group, one of Western Canada's leading providers of light towers, heating solutions, air compressors, generators, and water pumping equipment, as well as safe access solutions. Today I'd like to introduce you to the LTW20 light tower by Wacker. It's their wide body model with the full 20 kilowatt generator on it. This unit here has the very simplistic controls. You've got your one button on and off. The green button does a quick diagnostic, sets your glow plugs, and fires the unit. The red button, as it indicates, it just shuts the unit down. We've got our breakers here for the light system, and we've got our hour meter. And in the engine compartment here, we've got an Isuzu engine, very reliable and robust engine for the cold climates we have. This has the full cold weather package on it, which gives you your battery lockout, gives you a trickle charger for the battery, and it also gives you full 115% fluid containment system. Very easy access to all your filters. We've got the McCulty generator on this unit, and this also has the new hydraulic vertical mast. Simple deployment. It extends right up to 28 feet, and this unit here is one of the better built units on the marketplace, with full 11 gauge steel construction and a wide track wheelbase equivalent to a standard half-ton pickup. Very easy towability. Additionally, as we walk around the unit, we've got the full snow shrouding. We've got our 2 fork pocket lift point and the single lift point for craning. As we continue around the unit, we've got our auxiliary power. We've got 4 20 kilowatt outlets here, all GFCI protected, 1 50 amp twist lock, and 2 30 amp twist lock. On the single phase model, the 3-phase model additionally has the 3-phase outlet. On this side of the unit here, we've got an open compartment with our full electrical breakers for the outlets and the integrated steel fuel tank with a sight gauge. Very easy access to the entire unit. Additionally, we've got 6 points of contact for wind resistance when the unit is deployed. We've got the rear jack, we've got the back set axle with the 2 wheel positions, and our outrigger jacks and the additional jack on the tongue here. It gives it the 70 mile per hour wind resistance, which is one of the highest ratings in the industry. For the light projection, we've got very simple and very rugged light positioning for multiple position of the lights. One of the most rugged and heavy built units on the market available today. It has the full 2-year unlimited hour warranty on the entire unit, with the exception of the engine, which is warranted by Isuzu. And if you require any further information on this unit or any of our other products, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-667-5155 or visit our website at www.saskark.com.